We're at school.
Yay!
Actually,
School
we're going
is
home.
so fun.
Stay in school, kids.
But we obviously haven't learned enough today because we have to come back tomorrow.
Obviously.
Hi.
Oh, we're in a bet. Okay, we're in a bet.
Yep.
So we can't talk about anything related to Koreans in general, even K-pop, K-dramas, everything. So we can't talk about it from the hours.
I'm sorry, that's
from the hours of 8 to 2:45, and so yeah. Anyway, so yeah.
No, I want to say hi. Allie.
So yeah, okay.
I think in like every video you take, I'm like, Allie!
Yeah, I think so too.
That should be
Anyway,
every-
so yeah. So we're in a bet, and the first one that loses, there are conditions, and I'll explain to you later. Alright, bye guys.
Bye! Shout out to me. Julie loves you too.
Oh my God. Bye.